In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to import an asset register in Xero step by step. If you're moving from another accounting system, setting up a new organization, or simply adding multiple fixed assets at once, importing your asset register can save you hours of manual data entry. I'll walk you through the entire process, from downloading the template to registering your assets correctly inside Xero. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Xero tutorials. Let's get started. First, log into your Xero account. Once you're on the dashboard, go to the top menu and click on Accounting. From the drop-down, select Advanced. Inside the Advanced section, click on Fixed Assets. This will take you to your Fixed Assets dashboard, where you can manage, create, and import assets. In the top right-hand corner, you'll see an Import button. Go ahead and click on Import. Xero will now give you the option to download their CSV template. This template is extremely important because it ensures your data is formatted correctly for a smooth upload. Click on Download our CSV template and save the file to your computer. Next, open the downloaded CSV template in Excel or any spreadsheet software you prefer. You'll see predefined column headings that Xero uses to map your asset data. Carefully fill in your asset information into the appropriate columns. This typically includes asset name, purchase date, cost, asset account, depreciation method, useful life, and any other required details. Make sure you don't change the column headings, as Xero relies on these exact headings during the import process. Take your time here to ensure accuracy, because clean data will prevent errors later. Once you've completed filling in your asset details, save the file in CSV format. Now return to Xero. Back on the Import screen, click the Browse button and select the CSV file you just saved. After selecting the file, click Import to upload it. Xero will then take you to the Mapping screen. This is where you review how Xero matches your spreadsheet columns to its system fields. Carefully check that each column heading aligns correctly. If everything matches properly, click Process. Xero will now upload your asset data into the system. After processing is complete, your imported assets won't be fully active just yet. They will appear under the Draft tab in the Fixed Assets section. Click into the Draft tab to review them. It's a good idea to quickly scan through the list to confirm that all assets have been imported correctly and that the values look accurate. To finalize the process, select all the imported draft assets, then click Register. Once registered, the assets become active in your asset register and will be included in depreciation calculations going forward. And that's it. You've successfully imported your asset register into Xero. As you can see, the key steps are downloading the correct template, entering your data carefully, uploading the file, reviewing the mapping, and registering the assets from draft status. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more Xero accounting tutorials made simple. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.